This is how I store fresh plums in a jar, without preservatives, without sugar, and they don't spoil for years. I prepared the plums. First, I will wash them and clean them from the stem. Write in the comment, from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. For canning, I choose only firm and unripe plums. I will pierce the plums with a toothpick in several places. Thus, the skin will not crack during canning. I need clean and washed jars. I will fill the jars with plum. Do not fill the jars to the top. I pour water into the jars to cover the plums. Plums are a naturally acidic food and can be preserved without sugar or added acid. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with a clean lid. I need a deeper pot. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I pour water up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I will pasteurize it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of pasteurization, I remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jars to cool gradually in the water. When the jars have cooled, the center part of the lid must sink. I store the jars in a dark and cool place, preferably in the basement. If you liked the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.